Hello everyone, my name is Viviana and today I want to share with you the bird dog exercise, which helps strengthen the erector of the spine, gluteus maximus and multifidus. When bent and extending our legs, works the psoas muscles, rectus femoris and sartorius. In addition to raising the arms, works the trapezius and deltoids. In addition to being balanced posture to stabilize the movement, the rectus abdominis, latissimus dorsi, rotator cuff, and pectoralis major are also involved. There are some of the reasons with the bird dog exercise is the best exercise to include in our core routines. Also help to reduce the risks for the back injuries and contribute to the develop of activities of the daily living and sport performance. With a position in a 4 points on your hands and knees, with the hands under the shoulders and the knees under the hips. Avoid the rotation and excessive movement of your spine. Remember that the spine must be in neutral position. Now, extend one leg and the opposite arm at the same time. We are going to do it for 10 seconds. Remember the use of the breath and exhale when you extend the arm and the leg. Rest for 3 or 5 seconds and switch. This exercise is so difficult for you to maintain the balance. We are going to do now in the regression exercise. We are going to extend on our leg. Come for 10 seconds. Squish your abdominals. And now we are going to do the same, but only with your arm. And to make more difficult exercise, let's go with the progression. We are going to start in the same position for 4 points and extend your arm and your leg contralateral. Now, when you maintain the start positions, open your arm and your leg at the same time, in the same plan. Maintain your balance, remember the breathing, and return. Rest for 5 seconds and switch. Thank you for watching my videos and don't forget to put like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.